Hello, this is Kyle with Rocketman Plumbing here in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and today we're going to be talking about your sewer lines and whether or not you might need them replaced or not. A sign that you have a problem is your sewer lines back up on you occasionally, and you have to have them cleaned out. If this happens once, no big deal, but when it starts happening several times a year or every other month, that's time to have it looked at. Now, you might not necessarily need to have the whole house replumbed. What's good is to have number one, a set of cleanouts, both to run the sewer machine from, but also so we can run our camera down your sewer line and see what condition it's in. It might have just one problem in one little section of the pipe and the rest might be fine. So our camera inspection would tell us what the condition of your pipe is, what kind of material that pipe is made out of. It could be, if the house is very old, it could be clay pipe. It could be what's called asbestos pipe or cement pipe. It could be something called Orangeburg, which was made during and after World War II, which is tar paper. Or it could be black ABS, or it could be white PVC. If you have roots in your line, you've had your line cleaned out and there are roots, they're going to grow back no matter what you do. So we camera our line, decide if you need a repair or if the whole line needs to be replaced. Also, if you have a bad smell and you don't know why, but it smells like sewer, time for us to come out and inspect, find out why, fix the problem, so you can go on without that smell. On the subject of water leaks and whether or not you need your lines replaced, there's a couple of signs. Number one is your water bill is going up and you're not using any more water than you usually do. That is definitely a sign that you have a water leak. Another sign is maybe there's one spot if you have a lawn, there's one spot in your yard that the grass is a lot greener than the rest. That is a sign that it's getting constant moisture, and usually that would be from a water leak. So keep an eye on for green spots or wet spots in your yard, and keep an eye on how much your water bill is every month. If either one of those things become an issue, give us a call and we'll come out and take care of it for you. Thank you very much.